A question comes, a saffron in small quantity, how it can make a big change, right? So that is what is the science, the true science, right? So only thing is the saffron, it cannot be patented. It is natural food. So even if the result of saffron is there in the research paper, but it is hidden somewhere and nobody is going to take out from the research paper and put it, publish it in the newspaper. Since it is not there in the newspaper, it is not there in the news, so it seems that nothing exists which can help me come out of the depression. But there is one man who can do it, who has done it. What he has done, he collected all the research paper, he took out those material which was hidden in under, and he put it outside for you to understand. And interestingly, that man is here with us today, and he is Dr. Pawan. Can you come on the stage, please, sir? Welcome, sir. You have met him, no more introduction, right? So here he is going to explain all about saffron this time, right? Okay, Mike. Yes, yes. माइक एक और है अभी बाद में चेक लेंगे इनका है फिर उसके बाद हैंड में दे दो हाँ दे दो Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Smile evening, friends. So we have two issues. One, the disease happens due to two issues: wrong diet and stress and depression. So the wrong diet has been corrected by Dr. Bisharup. I am going to give you a gift now. I am going to prove you. We have so much stress in our lives, we have so much depression. And we say that depression and anxiety can be tackled by meditation. But in today's era, all of us are very fast in our lives and we want something gift, because naturopathy is a divine science and God has given thousands and thousands of plants for us to help. Let's see what is the God's gift for us to tackle stress and depression. About the mental health, number one mental health in the world is anxiety, and the second is depression. In the world, number one country who is suffering from depression is Iceland and Australia. In the southeast, India is the top. India has total cases of depression 5.7 crore, total cases of anxiety 3.8 crore. My God. Percentage of population, for every 103 people suffer from anxiety, and for every 100%, 4.5% suffer from depression, which means if we have 500 people, you can imagine we have 100 people who have stress or depression in their lives. And what doctors give for them, when you go to a doctor, he will prescribe you different antidepressant, tricyclic antidepressant, serotonin selective reuptake inhibitors, serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, monoamine oxidase inhibitors, and newer combinations. And you know, these are so deadly drugs that what are the side effects of those drugs? The side effects, in 37% of the cases, you lose libido. And you think if anybody is taking antidepressant and he is going to lose the libido, what will happen to him? He will become more depressed. And 23% of the people suffer from fatigue, dry mouth, emotional fatness, sweating, forgetfulness, drowsiness, diminished concentration, restlessness, insomnia, GI problems, erectile dysfunction. With these side effects, people become more and more depressed. So this is not the solution. But nature has always given us solution. The saffron, the wonder molecule Mother Earth has made for us. Let's see what international medical journals have to say about it. Saffron. You know, the most potent antidepressant in the world is paroxetine. And the fluoxetine, which is sold in the US market as the #1 drug, #1 antidepressant by the name of Prozac. Let's compare saffron with fluoxetine. This is a Journal of Ethnopharmacology. They did a randomized control trial comparing Crocus sativus, which is saffron, head-to-head with fluoxetine in the treatment of mild to moderate depression, a double-blind randomized pilot trial. And you know, they put one group on fluoxetine and one group on saffron. What was the result? After 6 months, this was the result. The white dots are saffron and the black dots are fluoxetine. This is Hamilton Depression Score. At the start of the treatment, both group patients were having 24 points depression. And they put 8 after 6 weeks. What happened? Depression score went to 8 in the saffron group, and fluoxetine, which is the most potent drug in the drug market, could bring it down only up to 10. And no side effects from saffron. Wonderful. Then this is the Journal of Phytomedicine. The psychological and neuroendocrinological effects of the just smelling of saffron. If you are depressed and you smell saffron, what happens? Just smelling of saffron. The result was cortisol. All of you know, if we have more stress, we have more cortisol. If we have less stress, we have less cortisol. So one group of people, they smell some sweet water, and after 6 months, their depression went up. But the people who smelled saffron, daily just smelling of saffron, their depression almost reduced to half. Wonderful. This was the state and trait anxiety score in them. The people who smelled that sweet water, their anxiety score was high, and the people who smelled saffron, their anxiety also decreased. This is one more article on the Alzheimer's disease. Also, this I will not cover. Alzheimer's disease, also saffron group. The conclusion was, in this double-blind placebo-controlled study suggests that at least in short term, saffron is both safe and effective in mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. Saffron is a wonder drug for depression. The Journal of Phytomedicine, June 2015 article, it says, saffron has got anti-convulsant effect. Saffron has got anti-Alzheimer's effect. Saffron has got antidepressant and anti-schizophrenia effects. Saffron has got anti-Parkinson's effect. Saffron decreases the neuronal injury and apoptosis. Saffron decreases neuroinflammation. Saffron augments brain neurotransmitter. This is one of the most famous Journal of Phytomedicine, June 2015. My God, wonder drug saffron. And you know, this one more journal again saying, saffron and major depressive disorder, a meta-analysis. The conclusion is, findings from clinical trials conducted to date indicate that saffron supplementation can improve the symptoms of depression in adults in MDD. What is MDD? Major depressive disorder. Not a mild depression. Major depressive disorder saffron can include. This is again one more trial. Saffron appears to have a significant impact in the treatment of anxiety and depression. And you know what is the side effect of saffron? Saffron improves sexual function in men and women. So my God, it is, what was the side effect of all antidepressant? It cures that also. So I think I recommend all of you, saffron, take saffron, whosoever has anxiety and depression, and your disease level will also go down. Thank you so much.